Hey guys, I am Tagalog and eto na, simulan na. Hey guys, this is the hey guys, eto na ang Tagalog version. Then, click yung 1.2.0.7 hindi gumagana sa akin kahit ilang patron. Okay guys, is my phone. Dati mga videos ko ay dinilit ko na dahil walang nag-like kahit sino. This is the load. Shut up. Okay. This is shut up. Okay, this is my friend. Hello. This is my video. Hey YouTube, this is my friend. Kami ay nagkokontrolan sa Minecraft. Wow! Ang ganda. Kami nagkokontrol. Nag-join sa Era. This is my name is Era. This is my name is Jet. Okay guys.
Just like a jet.
Wow, this is the one. Ito ang Philippines. Okay guys, this is the fireworks. That was amazing. This is the whole magic Minecraft. This is redstone. That was amazing. Ito ang bagong Minecraft Pocket Edition video. Ito ang update. Kung baka dati lumang version ng Minecraft 2015. 2015 is lowest version, old Minecraft. Then tignan natin ang this is my first, second, third. Ito ang ginawa namin, pinaghirapan pa namin. So, erasan yung hagdanan dito. To. Oh my god. But ito na ang bago. Now, start nga natin to. Time to sleep. Era, join ka nga sa akin. And now, this is a skin. Kami ay Tagalog, kaya Pilipino. Dito kami nakatira sa Pilipinas. This is the old house. Guys, This is so update. Wow, that was amazing. Pero Tagalog pa rin kami. Ito, gawa ko kaninang umaga. Pag po kayo mahiyaman Tagalog o man English speaking, kasi para may like na ba ng mga YouTube, para makakomment din sila sa atin to 1M, 1 million, pag 1K, 1,000 lang. 1,000 lang. Pero ganyan pa rin yun. Kaya wag kayo mag salita ng Tagalog at English speaking. Gusto nyo, haluin nyo yung Tagalog pati English speaking. Kanina katulad ng ginawa ko. Ang taas nito. Wala pang dot. Lagyan kaya natin. Sorry guys. I want to trap a camera. Ba't ito walang doors? Ay, nga pala baligtad. Tignan nyo, YouTuber, malalike mo to pag nagsasalita ako. Para maintindihan nyo. Kahit English, sana maintindihan nyo itong sinasabi ko. Huwag ka maingay. Kunin ko yan. Yeah, this is the Friday night. Oh my God. Guys, this is the old house and small. Then this is my friend. Sabi ko sa inyo, pwede nyo paghaluin ang English at Tagalog. Okay guys, ready to watch. And then, punta kayo sa YouTube, save nyo para ma-like ng iba. Ayan nyo, kung naiya kayo mag-Tagalog, edi huwag na.
Kontrolan.
Okay, this is my friend. Guys, this is... Oh my God. Umuulan. How about search? I know time. Click a weather and clear. Okay guys. Kung sakali, kung magtatagalog kayo, mas madali mag-English speaking kung marunong. Maglagay tayo nito. Dati hindi ako nagpapakita ng mukha ko kasi mayaan ako dati. And then now, let me see.
Oh my gosh, it's bleaching in my...
What the heck?
Oh my gosh, this is so good. I make this to my houses here. Now,
Nagbibideo ka ba?
hindi.
Oh my God! Holy
Ano mo na
shit, man! What? Woo! She get close. Whoa! That was big.
Okay, welcome to my property.
Kay Tagalog. What? What the heck?
Please,
Nag
download it.
naglalag yung Minecraft. Kasi alam nyo kayo naglalag to, bago pa lang. Ha?
Paano yung ganyan?
Sana lang to mabisa.
Ha?
Mabisa. Guys, thank you for watching.
Guys, it's so beautiful, these houses. What is this?
This is the trees.
Roof.
Okay,
Wow.
pasok tayo sa loob. Check it. Check is out. Check is it.
Okay.
Lagyan pa nga natin ng box kung maganda pa.
And this third
Ito ang mayaman namin
so
box.
beautiful.
Era mayaman tayo
Oh
ah.
my gosh. There's so many
Sabi ko sa inyo kung magtatagalog kayo, maintindihan ng mga English speaking kahit hindi.
and the flower. What is that? Oopsies.
Kahit Tagalog, maintindihan ng mga English.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Look at this.
Ang laki naman. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
And guys,
This is my tree.
this is a Minecraft with map.
Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
But I don't want to finish it.
Guys, naintindihan nyo ba ako guys? YouTubers, naintindihan nyo ba ako? Sabi ko, like, share, comment, subscribe my videos.
This
For this Minecraft Pocket Edition video. You can see the rules is the key that is in it playful. Let's go to the Pundan Chilar. Let's go to the Brother Killer. Thank you for watching. See you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you guys tomorrow. My videos in ay yeah, tama. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is my house. It's a beautiful. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. See you guys. Goodbye.